We are looking at text. This is the text tool. As I have shown you in the last chapter, we have learned about the use of this particular tool. This is text tool. As I said, there are two options. Select this tool. Either you go through this toolbar here, go to this A. This is text tool, and if you need to go directly to that text tool, the shortcut for which is the keyboard F8 button. Press F8 and you go to that. See, there are two text here. These two sample I have ready. I kept it ready here. See, this is artistic text, as I said, and this is the paragraph text. Artistic text you can expand it any way you want, and but in paragraph text you can't expand the text as I did for the artistic text. If you expand the text the lines keep on shifting. Expand, or if I reduce the size, it keeps shifting. The lines keep shifting. Okay, this is what the artistic does. Okay, now let's this is what the paragraph text does. Sorry. So now let's learn about this paragraph text. There are few commands of how to use this paragraph text. Now suppose I'll delete this artistic text and keep this text. This is the paragraph text. I'll keep this in the entire page. So this is the page. I have filled it with the paragraph text. I'll copy this particular text from here, the entire text, and just repeat this so that it gets filled, the sheet gets filled with the text. This I have filled it with text. Okay, now you see the this paragraph text. This is with red dotted line. It's surrounded with red dotted line. Now that red dotted line indicates that the text has continued. There is text which is not being displayed in this particular text, paragraph text. The paragraph text hanger, you can say. This is the text hanger. This is called the text hanger in CorelDRAW. So if the text goes beyond this particular area, this dotted area, then it shows with a red dotted line. Okay, that red dotted line means the text is there, but it's not being displayed. The entire text is not being displayed in this particular area. So that is what it does. Now you see this. I have filled this entire page with this with the text here. Now suppose if I want to view the text which has been hidden, what I do is, in the bottom you see this is the small arrow you see here. If you just expand this particular arrow or pull this particular arrow, the remaining text you can view that. You can view that text. So till the time the surrounding is with the red dotted line, that means there is some text still hidden till that red line turns to black. If the red line turns to black, then it means the entire text, you are viewing the entire text. So I pulled it till here. You can see I have zoomed out. So see, there is a lot of text. Now you see the dotted line of this particular paragraph is turned into black now. That means you can view the entire text which is there in this particular paragraph area. So what I do is, since this is just going beyond the sheet, this is the A4 sheet, it is going beyond that sheet. What I want to do is there is more text which doesn't fit in this particular sheet. Either I can reduce the font size and try to fit this text in this particular sheet, or if that is not possible, what I do is I'll try to shift this. I'll try to continue this particular paragraph, this text, to another sheet. I'll reduce this size first of all to here. Now reduce this size till it gets fit in this particular sheet area. And the next step what I do is I'll insert another page here. I'll go to this page 1 below here. This is the page 1. Right click and insert page after. This is one way to insert a page. The other way is you can go here to layout in the top command bar and insert a page. Okay, that's the other option, and here you can insert the page. See, you can mention the number of pages you want to insert. The number of pages I insert here is 3, and that 3 pages, this is the first page, the next 3 pages will be after the first page. If you want this before the first page, you need to click it here. This is, if you want it after the first page, you need to tick this particular circle. This is the existing sheet. This is existing sheet is page 1. This existing sheet, wherever you are, if you are in page 2, it shows page 2 if you are in that particular sheet. Okay, this is the page size, the next page, whatever size you want. So I want the same page size, A4, the height and width of this particular page, and that will be in portrait. This is horizontal, this is portrait. If you want the next sheet to be in the horizontal size, that will be horizontal. You have to click it here. Now I need it in portrait. I'll click it here and press OK. Now you see there are 3 pages inserted. Okay, now this particular sheet, if I want to continue in the next sheet, what I simply do is I'll select this tool, select this paragraph text here, and just go beyond below this. If you see this arrow mark here, small within the box, I'll click it here. Okay, as soon as I click, I'll get this small box with lines within that box. Okay, that means I have selected the continuation of this particular paragraph. I selected that, and what I need to do is I just have to place it somewhere else. So I'll go to the next sheet, next page, and I'll simply click it here. Okay, it gets filled with, it continues this particular sheet, it continues in the next sheet. Okay, and since both the sheet has the same text, you are not able to see the difference. So what I'll do is I'll simply change the color of this particular text. I'll keep it bold and keep it underlined, so you can see the difference. Okay, now you see the difference. I'll go to page 1. See, this text is continued in page 2. Again, if I want to continue this particular text to page 3, what I do is I simply click it on the bottom of this particular paragraph here. I'll click it here. You can see the cursor, the mouse cursor changing to the paragraph text icon, and go to sheet 3, or simply click it here at the one corner here. See, you can see, this is the dotted line. You see, this is the text. This is the area where you need to the default area where the text has to be placed. Outside the border area is the page margin, you can say. I'll simply go to this any one of the corner, to the left corner, you can say, because I want to start the text from the left corner of this page. So I'll go to this particular corner on the top left hand, and see this node here, the small box node. I'll click it here, simply click it here. Or if I don't want to start the text from anywhere from this corner, I simply place it somewhere in the between. What I do is I simply drag my mouse and leave it. See, the text is continued in the next page, but the size of the paragraph blocks has changed, and this size can be changed from here to change the size, width or height. Okay, this have changed. This is locked, since that's why the ratio equally changing. It's changing from both the sides. Or you can directly click, select this, click on this particular box and drag it. That way also you can change it. To make it something different, what I do is I'll select the text and change the font size, increase the font size. Now you see this particular within the particular this few text I have increased the font size. The same way, if I want to continue this text to next page, I'll simply go there, simply go to the next page and drag it, or simply go to one of the corner and click it, and it gets filled with it continues, the text continues on the next page. So on, in that way you can continue the text to the next pages. Okay, this is how you do it. Now let's see from the beginning. This is the first page, this is the second page, this is the continuation of first page, second page, this is the continuation of second page, third page, this is the continuation of third page, that is fourth page. So here, till the time it turns, the dotted line turns to black again, it means till the time the dotted line is red, it means the text is still there, but you are not able to view the text because it's been continued here and that's been hidden. And if you drag this thing, you can see the flow of the text continue. Again, if you want to continue